How to sign in YouTube TV. Welcome to this guide on signing into YouTube TV. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to log into your account and start enjoying live TV and on-demand content. First, open your web browser or the YouTube TV app on your device. If you're on a web browser, go to tv.youtube.com. If you're using a mobile app, ensure it's downloaded from your respective app store. Next, click or tap on the Sign In button. This is typically located at the upper right corner of your screen. You'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure it's the one linked to your YouTube TV subscription. Once you've entered your email, tap Next. You'll be asked to enter your password. If you're using a shared or public computer, be cautious and ensure you're choosing to stay signed in only if it's safe to do so. If two-factor authentication is enabled, which is recommended for extra security, you might receive a code via text message or through an authentication app. Enter this code to proceed. Once that's done, you should be signed in. You can now browse through channels, set recordings, and watch your favorite shows and events live. If you encounter any issues, double-check that your email and password are correct and that your subscription is active. For more complex issues, visiting YouTube TV's Help Center or contacting customer support may be necessary. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Enjoy your streaming.